Chicken Encyclopedia, page 76. C. Creeper. Any chicken exhibiting the creeper gene, so called because it appears to creep, slide, or float as it moves around. Creeper, the capital C. A bantam breed with shanks shorter than 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters. Once recognized by the American Bantam Association in black, cuckoo, silver, and white color varieties. This breed was likely related to the rare Japanese creeper known as jitoko in Japan, although it lacked the beard, muffs, and crest characteristic of today's jitoko. Jitoko. Creeper gene, a genetic trait that causes short legs in certain breeds, including Japanese and creeper bantams, and results in a high rate of embryo deaths during the incubation of eggs produced from the mating of a cock and hen that both bear the lethal creeper trait. Chicks that inherit a short leg allele from both parents die before hatching. Often the chicks that do hatch, 1/3 will inherit 2 long leg alleles and be unsuitable for showing or breeding, and the remaining 2/3 will inherit 1 long leg and 1 short leg allele, giving them the short legs that are desirable in a Japanese or other creeper bantam. Crest. A spherical puff of feathers growing on the head of a breed that has a knob on top of its skull, as is characteristic of crevicoears, Houdans, Polish silkies, and sultans. A full crest restricts vision and hinders the bird's ability to get away from predators and to hatch mates. Crevicoeur, a breed developed centuries ago in Normandy, France, and named after a village in that province. Originally, it was a dual-purpose farmstead breed, but today is considered primarily ornamental. The Crevicoeur comes in a single color, black, has a crest, V-comb, and beard, and may be large or bantam. The hens lay a chalky white shell egg and seldom brood. Crisscross inheritance. The inheritance of a sex link characteristic such that in a given mating, all the pullets inherit the characteristics from the sire, and all the cockerels inherit the corresponding characteristic from the dam. See also sex link. Croat Langshan. Langshan, to distinguish it from other Langshan strains. Germany's German Langshan and England's modern Langshan. That, page 77. Deviate from the original type. This breed is sometimes called the Croat Langshan. It was first exported from China by Major A.C. Croat of England. See also Langshan. Crooked neck. See weary neck. Crop. An expandable pouch at the base of the chicken's neck that bulges with feed after the bird has eaten, and where Digestive juices begin softening the feed before it moves into the chicken's stomach. See page 60 for illustration. Also called craw. To trim or remove a bird's wattles, as is required for the exhibition of mature, modern, or Old English gamecocks. Crop binding. See crop impaction. Crop impaction. The lodging of feed in the crop, which continues to swell and stop up the work so no feed can pass through. Crop impaction may occur when feed is withheld before worming, causing chickens to eat too much too fast afterward. A crop may also get impacted in a bird pastured where little is available to eat except long, tough, fibrous vegetation. The crop will feel tight and hard and can swell sufficiently to cut off the windpipe, suffocating the bird unless surgery is performed to remove the impaction. Crop impaction is unlikely to occur in properly fed birds. Crossbreed. To mate a cock and hen of two different breeds. The offspring of a cock and hen of two different breeds. See also hybrid. Cross beak. A beak in which the upper and lower halves grow in opposite directions, preventing the chicken from pecking properly. Although the beak may usually be trimmed to bring the two halves together, in most cases a cross beak is a genetic defect, and such a chicken should not be used for breeding. You will know it's genetic if the cross beak appears almost from the time the chick hatches and keeps growing crossed no matter how often you trim it. A cross beak may also occur in a growing or mature chicken that is not able to swipe its beak along the ground. For example, if the chicken is kept in a cage. Here is a picture of a crevecoeur hen. It's all black, has gray legs. Here's a picture of a crest. Shows the big old hair on the chicken. Here is a Japanese creeper rooster, or jit oko. And here's a picture of a cross beak.